Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around? Me and you and awkward silence. Don't you dare.
Allah yang tahu bagaimana perasaan aku sakit. Sakitnya perasaan aku ni.
Of how you don't feel the same. Oh, the burning pain. Listening to you heart pump out some new soulmate. She's so perfect, blah blah blah. Oh, how I wish you'll wake up one day. When I talk to you, oh Cupid walks right through and shoots on the road.
Apa nama ni? Tadi aku pergi bengkel dengan Umai. Lepas tu dia cakap apa ni dia nak buat kerja dia. Tapi apa ni benang tu sepah dia tak dapat jemput. So dia tak buat. Apa solusi dia? Apa idea? Korang ada idea nak fixkan benda tu?
Tapi kalau botol lain bantu tak ya agaknya?
Aku ada idea. Sekejap ya. Apa tu? Ada lah. Serius betul. Aku
Rasa idea dia gempak.
Cerita bagus lah.
1 hour later.
Dah siap. Aku nak buat ini.
Lying on my bed staring into the blue. Unrequited, terrifying love is driving me a bit insane. Have to get this off my chest. I'm telling you today that when I talk to you,
2,000 years later.
and shoots an arrow through my heart, and I sound like a loon, but don't you feel it to confess I loved you from the start? Confess I loved you, just thinking of you. I know I've loved you from the start. Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around? Me and you and awkward silence. Don't you dare.